So, uh, hello guys, welcome to our new playlist. We are starting the basics of the Google Earth Engine for the beginners. So, in this particular video, we will look into what are the different sections or the sectors of the Google Earth Engine API. Let's start. So, as you can see, the layout of Google Earth Engine API consists of several sections, in which the first tab is the scripts. So, this particular section will contain all the saved chapters as well as the scripts which I have written in my uh, script layer. As you can see, I have many scripts which I have said, which I have worked earlier. And the second tab has the docs tab. So it mainly consists of the functions and various algorithms for the different kinds of rasters as well as the vector images. And the third tab is the assets. This is the particular tab from where we can import our raster or the vector or the CSV files from our personal computer to use in our Google Earth Engine API. Through the use of this new button, we can import the GOT file, the shape file, or the CSV file, or the image collection, or the folder. The entire folder can be imported, and we can use in our Google Earth Engine API. So, coming to the script part, so this is where we are going to write our script. It may be the Java script or the Python code, and it has some 3 to 4 buttons like the get link button, which we can generate link for our script, and we can save our script and we can run our script. We can also reset as well as clear the script, and we can view the results in the apps. One of the best features of the Google Earth Engine API, through which the results can be viewed, and the general settings button is also given in this tab. So the next the tab is the inspector tab. So this particular tab is used to inspect our map layer. Like for example, if I click at any point, I will get the longitude, latitude, as well as the zoom level. What is the scale of that particular point? On an average, if I add any layer to it, it will also give the information on that digital number or the DN number. And in the console tab, we'll get our print output. Like uh, in the console tab, we will get our print output. Like for example, the stride, the general starters for print hello world. If I give run, so you can see my print output is coming in the console tab. So if I miss any of the basic rule, it will come error also in the console tab only, like print is not defined. So the console is mainly used for this purpose, and the task which mainly used for like whatever I have imported, my CSV file or my shape file or my GOT file, everything, and the exporting of the final results from the script layer will also be uh, displayed in this task section. So this is my map layer. So it mainly consists of cursor for moving the map, and up we can add a point, we can also add a line, we can draw a shape, and we can also add a polygon and a rectangle. So these are the two zoom levels, and here we can change our base map to terrain or satellite image with labels or else without labels, and this is a full view of a map. So only this is the general out script of the Google Earth Engine API, and this is the search bar where we can search for our data catalog or any places. Like for example, if I search Mysore, here you can see, uh, turn on the labels. It is zoomed into Mysore, so I can also search the places, or I can also search the data sets. Like if I search Sentinel, I'll get the raster image of the Sentinel and SAR data, Sentinel 2, multispectral instrument level 1 C as well as the level 2A. So This is in general the outlook of the Google Earth Engine API. So that's it for today, friends. Thank you. So if you have any kind of doubts, you can post it in the comment section. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.